Hi, I'm George C. Keefe, encasement guy, coatings contractor, and consultant. Today, I'm going to talk about impact, abuse, and chemically resistant coatings. For a coating to fit into the category of being green and sustainable, meaning long term, it needs to withstand and repel all types of attacks. You want a coating that is able to hold up to repeated long-term wear and tear that normal weak paint can't withstand. High quality, sustainable green coatings encasement is greatly impact, abuse, wind, rain, fire, rot, mold, mildew resistant. They stand up against UV attacks, hail, sandstorms, corrosion, salt, sea spray, and are chemically and abrasion resistant. They have tensile strength, making them resistant to cracking or breaking down due to stress levels. They are scrub resistant and can defend surfaces from brutal attacks that can cause expensive short and long-term damage. They are unaffected to repeated blows that can reduce typical weak paint life cycle. That's a lot, but that's what it takes to be sustainable against brutal attacks and the test of time. Okay, I'm George C. Keefe, encasement guy, coatings contractor, and consultant. Join me again next time when I'll be discussing other important coating issues that involve you, your buildings, and the environment.